In the heart of luxury, where the world's most extraordinary converge, there is a legend that stands apart. Introducing the 1963 Founders Edition SPECVETTE by Heartland Customs. A true masterpiece, forged for the few who understand that true greatness is not given, it's earned. Designed for the discerning driver. Engineered for the few who demand nothing less than perfection. The SPECVETTE is a symphony of performance and luxury, where every detail is an art form. Inside, every element is engineered for the refined elite, where comfort meets innovation, and every journey is an unforgettable experience.